In this video, we are going to learn how we can create pivot table based on relationship. As we have already created data model and we have already created relationship between customer info and order info based on customer ID. Relationship is the backbone of any data model set up in Excel Power Pivot. Relationship enable us to carry out calculation and analysis across multiple tables of data. Now we want to create pivot table based on this. To create pivot table, first click to pivot table option over here. We will get many options. In that, we have to click to pivot table. The moment we click to pivot table option, it drags us to our Excel workbook where customer info and order info worksheet is there, and in front of us new window has appeared. It asks us new worksheet or existing worksheet. This time I am clicking to new worksheet. Then click OK. As I click OK, new worksheet is created with pivot table. As we got pivot table analyze and design tab will activate to do changes in pivot table over here. As we are creating pivot table, we have to look to the field section over here. Currently, customer info, order info, sales data 2 option is available. With this option, we are getting their header also. Like when we click customer info, we are getting customer info header also, like customer ID, company name, and so on. Same with other option also. But we are making pivot table based on customer info worksheet and order info worksheet. So we will work on this two option only. Suppose we are taking country from customer info in row field. We have to just drag and drop country in row field like this. Now suppose we want to see country wise order, so we will drag and drop order ID from order info to value field like this. The moment we drag order ID from order info to value field, sum of order ID came in pivot table, because by default value calculation in pivot table is sum. But we want to see count of order. For that, go to value field. In that, click to sum of order and then click to value field setting. In that, change to count over here and then click OK. The moment we click OK, instead of sum of order ID, count of order ID came in pivot table, and in that we can check country wise order like Argentina 16 and so on. From this, we can conclude that one is from customer info worksheet and that is country, and another from order info worksheet and that is order ID. So like this, we can prepare pivot table based on two or more worksheet with the help of PowerPivot relationship. Suppose we want to see country wise freight expenses. So first click to order info. In that, drag freight and drop it to value field like this. The moment we drop freight in value field, beside count of order, sum of freight came. From this, what we can see, for 16 order from Argentina, freight expenses is 598.58. Suppose we want average of freight, then go to value field, then click to sum of freight, then click value field setting. In that, change to average over here, then click OK. Now instead of sum of freight, average of freight came. For one order from Argentina, freight expenses is 37.41125. So like this, we can create pivot table after creating worksheet relationship in PowerPivot. Do some practice of PowerPivot and make pivot table after creating relationship in PowerPivot in your Excel workbook, and I will see you in next video.